What is up, guys? This is FNH News Reviews and Tourism with a brand new video to talk about Tranya Bluetooth wireless headphones. So I've been actually meaning to make this review. The product finally came, so I'm like, and I actually needed Bluetooth wireless headphones. The ones I currently have are Bose headphones, but they're over the ear headphones. So these are the Bluetooth in your headphones that we're going to try right now and just show you guys how it looks, what it is, what the functionality is, and the price range. So just to get right into it, this is by Tranya, and the price range for this was $60. So I've obviously got good quality headphones, and I'm gonna like talk more about them. I know I've seen like other cheap headphones that go for like $30, $20, but obviously the quality sucks. I've had them, I've tried a few of them. Some are decent. I think I made a review on one of them. Those weren't bad actually. They were good to work out. As you can see, it's in English and there's like other languages as well. I think I saw Chinese, maybe Japanese. I think that's Japanese. I think I saw other languages as well. But this is your booklet on how it is, what it works. And this are the headphones itself. So as you can see, it comes in a nice, clean, sleek packaging. And just to get, ooh, these headphones look gorgeous. So these are the headphones themselves, as you can see. And this is the company. So it's Tranya headphones. Those are the headphones itself. They look pretty sleek. I like how they look overall. They actually look pretty damn cool. So they turned on as soon as I opened it. I don't know how that's pretty freaking cool, dude. I actually don't even know how they charge. I don't know if it's if it's like okay, so they're probably wireless charging. So let me see. How do you charge this box? Oh, right here. So I found it. So before I get into the headphones itself, so they're magnet charging, similar to how AirPods are. You can see over here, this is how you charge it. So it's like your regular Android charger, USB charger and whatnot. And these are the headphones. So these are the ones you put in your ear and then you work out with them. They're waterproof and all the other good stuff with it. So you can easily use them for working out. You can use them for just listening to music, jamming out at work, wherever you're trying to go to the train, I don't know, whatever you're doing with them, overall, you can use them. The only thing I don't like about, not just these headphones in general, is the wireless function that you got to put them in the pod and then charge this, and then it charges. I find that weird, but I guess it makes sense because you can't really charge. You could put it, but then you would need two chargers for them. I guess that's why, maybe until they make something more different and sleek, where it's just straight up wireless, like you just throw it and it just starts charging. That'll be the day. That'll be the day. Let me see. So they gave this as well. I'm assuming this is where the charging kit is and everything and how the wire works. So let's see what's in here. Maybe the different ear sizes. So yes, I was correct. The different ear sizes for, to fit your own personal needs. And here's the charging wire for it. And it comes with the wire. It comes with the boxing. So it actually comes with overall everything that you need to charge it and use it and whatnot and go from there. So overall, I actually like it. It's pretty nice. I was a little bit skeptical on how it would be, but it's fairly nice, sleek, sufficient, and I feel like I overall like it. The price was again $60, so you can see how it ranges based off of that, and you obviously can check it out. I'll leave all the links in the description below, and yeah, let me know your thoughts below, guys. What do you guys think about it? And overall, we can go from there. But yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you overall like this, if you have something like this, you can check it out and let me know. I'll leave some description, all the links in the description. I'll maybe do a status update on it, how long it lasts, how well did it do after I worked out. Waterproof wise, I can do some testing as well. Let me know if you want to see those types of videos. I can definitely make those. And yeah, overall, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click the notification bell, and on that, FNH out. Peace.